So, guess what came in the mail today? So today I got the new DJI Ronin S, and I took it out to church just to get a couple test shots to see what I could do with it, and I gotta say, I'm liking it so far. So if you want a full review on this new toy that I've gotten, and you want to see how you can use this for yourself, go ahead and click that like button, and I can see that you're interested in a full review, and I can kind of break things down. Honestly, I haven't found anything that I don't like about this thing, but I also want to be unbiased and not be like, oh my gosh, this new toy. Like, I want to break it down, find the positives, find the negatives, and really give you an honest review. So right now, I don't have anything negative to say about this thing. This thing is awesome. But if you're looking to get a full review, go ahead and click like and click subscribe so you don't miss that episode. And thank you so much for watching this little test video that I put together for this week. But I will see you next week in the next video.